And the mother said, that is the way of the world. And she kept going. And the ducks looked at her and said, what are they doing here? We don't want them here. We have enough of us already, and look at that ugly one. And one of the ducks got up and bit him in the neck. And the mother duck said, stop it, stop it, stop it. He did not do anything to you. Why did you bite him? He said, I bit him because he doesn't look like any of us. And he's ugly. And so that's why I had the right to bite him, because he is not like us. And the mother got her little chicklings together, and she went further and to meet her Grace, the duck with a red tag around her ankle. You know, she was very special because she was never going to be gotten rid of. And all the animals and the humans all knew her. And the mother duck took her chicks up to her. And the duck looked at her, the special dear Grace looked at them and said, they are very nice. Oh, yes, except for that one. Oh, she said, Your Grace, you know, yes, he's big. You know, he stayed in the egg a little too long, and well, as he gets older, maybe he'll kind of shrink a little, and his shape will be a little better, and besides, he doesn't have to be good looking because he's a drake, and you know, drakes, he'll be able to take care of himself, you know. And very well, she said, you are home. And every day, the ducks bit him, the chicks pecked at him, the little girl who took care of the hen yard kicked him, the rooster ran after him and made this awful noise until his face was so red and scared him. Oh, every day from the first day